This is a tour of the Rainforest River Cabin. We're going to head down there now. It's located adjacent to this beautiful river. Here's the cabin itself. The surrounding areas here. It's a little seating area just outside. And where we enter through the door here, you'll see we've got a kitchenette. There's a mini fridge and freezer, drinkable water, a 2-burner stove, and most of the pots and pans and plates you'd ever need for making yourself a meal here. You step inside the cabin. This is essentially a tiny house. You can see there's a sitting area here, right inside the door. And there is a bunk bed in here with a full-size bed at the bottom and a twin-size bed at the top. Step inside, there's 2 large windows inside here that actually have a view straight out to the river. You can listen to the peaceful sounds of running water all night. And there is a bathroom in this unit. There's a sink outside, and then when we go through this door here, you can see we've got a full shower, and as well as the other facilities in the bathroom here. Again, this is our Rainforest River Cabin. Hope you've enjoyed this tour.